Yeah, what's up YouTube? Back again with another video today, and in this one I just want to do a little review about this little item we've got here. As the title suggests, it's a Tether Tools clamp to keep your USB cable in, well, keep it in your camera and keep it from pulling out or being tugged out and breaking your USB cable and the USB socket on your camera. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration in a jiff on how we connect this, but yeah, the link will be in the description. It's available on Amazon. I got it in the UK, so it was £8.99. Now we all know of another company called Tether Tools that does something similar, and they have the cables and that, but in my opinion their stuff is way too expensive. So anyway, so this does the job just as good as the little unit they've got, but yeah, I will show you now. Anyway, so we've just got a standard USB cable, as we can see here, and if you look at here, we've got grooves either side to fit your cables in, or you can put them in that way as well. But I'm just going to first of all get my camera and put my USB cable in to the socket, and then we can see how much of a, I'll just move that camera out the way, sorry, the laptop out the way, and then we can see how much cable we need to leave out, and then it's just a case of screwing it into the 1/4 inch socket on the bottom. Is it 1/4 inch? Whatever the, yeah, 1/4 inch screw socket on the bottom of the camera, and as we can see there, I'm ready to rock, and the cable is nice and secure. I don't know if you've had this problem yourself, but I have in the past, where I've been doing a shoot with a USB cable connected to the computer, and you either go too far or something happens anyway and the cable gets pulled out halfway through doing a photo, or worst case scenario, you damage something. But yeah, there we go, it's nice and simple. As we can see there, fits in nice and secure at the bottom. We're not going to have that going anywhere now, and then we can just carry on shooting. Obviously your cable's going to go into your laptop or whatever you're using, and but yeah, it's just a little one of those little pieces of equipment for your photography that is really inexpensive, and it can save you a lot of hassle. I'll leave a link to this cable as well. I found this cable it's been really good for me as well. It's again, it's a Amazon purchase, SIW Cibiket or something, I don't know. Anyway, but it's a 9-foot long cable. It does the job for me when I'm using it tethered. I'll leave a link in the description for the unit that I purchased. Oh, as well, I didn't mention, it does have another thread in the bottom, so if you want to put if you're using a tripod or anything at the same time as doing your shoot with it tethered, you can screw in your base plates or whatever you need to in at the bottom of your camera as well, as you can see there. Anyway, there we go. Just another quick review, nice and simple. Hope somebody gets some use out of this. Like I said, the links will be in the description. Try it out yourself, less than a tenner, and it can save you a lot of hassle in the future. Okay, cool, see you in the next one. Bye.